a short video, dear friends, to talk to you about EcoFlow's refurbished products. I know we often talk to you and do tests on new products, but we don't talk enough about the great deals you can find in EcoFlow's refurbished range. So, is it a good idea to buy refurbished products? That's what we're going to find out in this video. Is it worth it to buy a refurbished EcoFlow battery? For your information, as of the time I'm writing this, our promo code in the description is also valid for refurbished products. I don't think there's a better way, a better price for a guaranteed EcoFlow product than to get a refurbished EcoFlow product combined with our promo code. You won't find anything cheaper or more reliable than this solution for a product, because if you buy a used product from someone on Le Bon Coin or, it's not necessarily guaranteed. Whereas with EcoFlow, by going to the refurbished store and adding your promo code, you're sure to get the best guaranteed and cheapest product in the EcoFlow range. So what exactly is a refurbished device? It's a device that was bought and then returned during the withdrawal period. Obviously, this product can't be considered new. So EcoFlow runs a series of tests. A whole series of tests. And then they put it back on the market, but without charging full price. Take a battery, for example. Batteries have charge cycles. For this model, it's about 3,000 charge cycles. A refurbished battery has fewer than 10 charge cycles. Yeah, less than 10 out of 3,000. That's barely anything, and batteries are getting better, too. The more recent the products, the higher the number of charge cycles they can handle. Just imagine, that's nothing. Basically, it's really nothing, since their return policy lets you send a product back within 30 days if you're not satisfied, whether it's a brand new product or one that's been used less than 10 times. When you see the discount you get, you should know that our Delta 2 here is actually a refurbished battery. Is it more or less reliable than a brand new battery? Listen, I used to work. Before I got into web marketing, I used to work assembling computers, you know, the motherboard, the hard drive, all that stuff. And I can tell you one thing, a new product isn't necessarily more reliable than a refurbished one. Sometimes we'd unpack a brand new motherboard, plug it in, and the computer just wouldn't work. So just because something is new doesn't mean it works. Just because something is used doesn't mean it will work any less well. New doesn't always mean trouble-free. So, a refurbished product can sometimes even be more reliable since it's been checked by a human, precisely because it was returned. A product coming straight from the factory isn't necessarily reliable either. When tons of products come off an assembly line, that doesn't guarantee reliability since no human has checked it. So it could have a defect. A refurbished product, on the other hand, has been handled by a human. There you go. It offers the best balance of quality, lifespan, and price. So, how much can you actually save with a refurbished product? It really depends on the time of year, what they've received, and what they need to make available. But you can get anywhere from 25% off up to 52% off if you combine it with our code. Just imagine, you get a product that's almost brand new and costs half the price. Honestly, try finding that even on the secondhand market. That's going to be tough. Add to that the ecological aspect. Instead of companies throwing products away, they give them a second life, guarantee them, and put them back on the market. It's also a nice little eco-friendly bonus. So, as you can see, I personally find refurbished products really interesting. I can only recommend it to you. If you have, well, I want to say, a smaller budget, but you still want to get EcoFlow products, go check out the EcoFlow refurbished section. Once again, my stackable promo code is available both in the article and in the description below, depending on where you're watching the video. See you soon. Sending hugs. Bye-bye.